Hey guys, I'm a school teacher and I'm always needing utility tools to make arts and craft projects at school. So I got this new set. It is a Jimihome household tool, essential safety scissors and utility set. It's made out of awesome material that is silicone, and it's so silky and smooth and lightweight, but it's very heavy duty to use on all your home projects and your school craft projects with your students. So it comes with a sheath. This is the utility scissors, but it comes with a protective sheath. It has markings on it so you can get proper measurements when you're cutting. It has a great logo on it, but this logo also serves as the tightening, because sometimes your scissors will get a little loose and you need to tighten them. But they're super durable. They cut through almost anything. You can even use them if you're cooking to cut bones and stuff. But see how easy that is? And then it will cut through paper like butter, just like that. And I use it to cut everything in my household. So I really love these. They're very durable, they're heavy duty, and you cannot go wrong with ordering these. They're super sharp, so you always want to keep them in your protective sleeve so that children do not get hurt with them. But it is really a great product. So now I want to show you the utility knife, which is made out of the same silicone hard material. It has a lock right here for safety reasons. So you push the lock down just like this. And then when you want to get into it, here is the lock. It just pushes down. And when you want to use it, you just do it like that. And so now it's unlocked and it stretches out. It has lines so that when the blade gets dull, you can actually pop it off. And I'll show you that in just a minute. But it's made out of super nice material. It's very heavy duty. And so when it gets dull, you take this little tool right here. It has a little vent hole right here that you just take and put on it. And then you just pop it like so. And now you have a fresh blade that is no longer dull. So let me show you how you actually use it. So you do like this. So I need half of a solo cup for my project. And this is how easy. You want to be careful and go slow. I mean, I could go through it because it's cutting through it like butter, but I don't want to get cut. So I'm going really slow to get it where I want it. Don't want to cut my hand, so now we're going to just take it and pull it across to get the angle that I wanted. And so now that I've got it all even, and we're going to be making little snowmen, so we're using some bars of soap. And I want to show you how easy it will cut through your bar of soap. Just like that for all your projects. So this is going to be cut down and melted in to make a little snowman. But as you can see, it will also cut through paper. You can use it for cutting boxes open like a box cutter. But I really recommend you get one of these because they are super durable and so handy to have for all your arts and craft projects. And this is how you lock it back. You got to make sure that this is lined up in the little bitty slot right here. And then you push it and now it's locked and nobody can get hurt with it. So get online and get you some of these today. I highly recommend them.